So hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Rizwan with you. So today we're gonna talk about another luxurious project which is themed with the Italian handcrafted kind of things. And if I will say you that with the price of only 1 million dirham, I would be able to buy you an apartment of 2 bedrooms, then that's not wrong. And the second amazing thing, you would be able to get 8% minimum guaranteed rental return on this investment. So let me show you first the structure and the module of the building, that how it looks like from the outside exterior. So this is the building structure, which is G plus 20 floor. And so let's start from the ground floor. This is the ground floor and this is the entrance for the hotel side. Let me tell you that the building has two parts. The one side is for the residences and the other side is for the hotel, where they have given you a guarantee to give 8% rental returns on the investment. So this is the entrance for the lobby of hotel. Then after that, all of these things are covering for the parking. Then you are going to get fourth floor, where you will get all of your amenities, including a lot of the things like a huge swimming pool, such as giving impact like crystal lagoons. And then here you will be able to get a sharing golf course. Then here you will get a sharing spa, and then here you will get a different kind of restaurants for the hotel beverages and everything. Then one restaurant will be here, the other restaurant will be there. Then here will be again a separate kids pool, and there will be kids play area. Moving next, you will get your gym on the top floor with the landscape gardens and a lot of the other like roof deck type kind of things you will get there. Let's go and check the private entrance for residences side. So here is a private entrance for the residences only, and then all of these things, the ground floor units starting from here up to there are the retail shop, which will be managed by Vincitore management. So moving to the next, let me show you one more thing, that on the fourth floor here you are getting the apartments with the huge terrace. As compared to the other one, it's 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms apartments. Let me show you now the show apartment of 1 bedroom. Let's get into that. The apartment now that you're gonna get in this project. So this is your 1 bedroom luxurious and amazing finishing apartment. Here the size of this apartment is 755 square feet. Here you are getting your fully fitted Italian themed open L-shaped kitchen with the branded appliances of Bosch, and here is your refrigerator and with the oven. Look at the finishing and the theme of this Italian contrast that they have given to this project. And then from here, the entrance on the right side, you are getting a very cozy kids room. You will be able to use it for the many kind of functions. And then here you are getting your full bathroom. You can use it for your guests, you can use it for your attach with your kids room. Whatever you're gonna make, you can do. And here moving forward, you are getting your spacious and the luxurious living area. Everything that I'm going to show you will be including as it is in the apartment, and this is the show apartment I'm going to show you. But in the future you will be able to get the same kind of apartment. You can see the designs and the architect on the walls. All of this will be wall crafted. The ceiling, if I will talk about the ceiling heights, you are getting here 3.5 meters, which is even more than a normal projects. So let's get inside of the bedroom. This is your master bedroom. As you can see, it's having good size. If you know the master size of the bedroom, it comes with the ensuite bathroom and with the rain shower, standing shower. Look at the wallpaper and the touch of Italian theme that they have given on this project. golden plus white. It looks really amazing. And then moving forward here, you will be able to get your built-in wardrobes. So you can imagine the finishing that they have given here. You will be able to get the same. So let's talk about the payment plan and the prices. You will be able to get flexible kind of payment plans as per your needs, as per your own module. We can negotiate with the developer on your need. But I will tell you the standard payment plan. 20% will be the down payment, then 60% will be the during construction, and again 20% on handover. But if you are able to pay the full amount cash, you would be able to get the discount on the price, or you will be able to get 8% guaranteed rental return for the next 3 years, starting from the day when you have paid for the apartment. One more thing, the parkings with this apartment, you will get 2 parkings at least with this apartment, or 3% discount in any case. If you want the parking, extra parking, you can get that, or if you want the discount, you can get that. So this was a 1-bedroom apartment. I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp number. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime, or if you are internationally based, you can drop me a WhatsApp anytime. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. I will see you in the next video. Until that time, take care of yourself and bye-bye.